it is clear to all concerned that when it comes to nuclear weapons, we have reached a decisive point. But even as we take decisive action to repair the damage to our economy, we're working hard to build a new foundation for sustained economic growth. But it is clear to all concerned that when it comes to nuclear weapons, we have reached a decisive point. Mr. President, I want to commend you on your decisive leadership in these first few months of office, in the first year of office, a time that's been obviously very difficult and has tested the people of Chile. CIA director who's played a decisive role in our fight against violent extremism. He understands that even as we begin the transition in Afghanistan, we must remain unwavering in our fight against al-Qaeda. Without a new strategy and decisive action, our military commanders warned that we could face a resurgent al-Qaeda and a Taliban taking over large parts of Afghanistan. Especially in the early days, and then in a supporting capacity. But let's remember that it was the Arab League.
Our people, America's sons and daughters, are our decisive edge.
In these decisive moments, then, we need to choose between doing something and doing nothing. The United States was proud to play a decisive role, especially in the early days, taking out Libyan air defenses and conducting precision strikes that stopped the regime in its tracks. He even brought some Boston water all the way to Vancouver and poured it in the ice before decisive Game 7.
And for my country's independence, for its future, for the future of our democracy, for the future of our region, that has been absolutely decisive and key in all different directions.
They brought home the Ram Falcon Trophy with a decisive victory over Colorado State, a game that won them a bold bid for a record-setting 5th straight year. In my earliest days in office, we took decisive steps to confront our own financial crisis, from making banks submit to stress tests to rebuilding their capital, and we put in place some of the strongest financial reforms since the Great Depression. It's also been a chance for the international community, including the United States, the largest economy in the world, and with our own record of responding to financial crises, to stress the importance of decisive action at this moment.